presentation director for our project. That is Austin, and he was the project director. Bailey was the launch director. Steven is the rocket engineer. Abby was the budget director, and Hunter was the second engineer. So, visionary, leading, unusual, lasting, profound, and ambitious.
Which, as you all know, is also the slogan for University of Texas. We gained a lot of our inspiration from.
Who are we? We have been the leading launch corporation for 250 years, so we have much expertise. We were named after the Firebolt in Harry Potter, and we try to honor the aerodynamic innovations of Harry Potter and his inventions. We have not only worked with NASA, but have also acquired it for $3 trillion. Has been one of our largest acquisitions to date. And we sent the first man to the moon. That is our employee, the mother. You may know him, Neil Armstrong. We also innovators using mechanical engineering. We utilize special algae-powered motors. That is our Japanese fuel facility with an employee handling algae. So not only do we create powerful rockets, we also incorporate environmentally friendly design. Sorry.
Okay, so we wanted to design our rocket to where it's not only where it's very revolutionary. It's not only efficient, but it's very appealing to the users. We give it an 18mm custom nose cone, and we also did 2 tri-fins to make it more aerodynamic and stable on the launch. We give it a more powerful motor with a special environmentally friendly design, and it's sleek, sexy, and sparkly.
Now you may notice there are many colors on this rocket. The black represents sleekness and the darkness of space. The red symbolizes our fiery passion for rockets. The glitter represents the stars in our night sky that inspire us. And the yellow represents ethnic diversity.
Okay, so this is a 2D design of the final rocket we chose, and it's not to say that like the other designs were bad. We just chose this one because it was the best and the most effective, and it also was the most aesthetic. So it looks pretty cool.
And we didn't want to waste your time with putting some of the other designs on because it's in our presentation packet, and we didn't want to waste your time with that kind of pointless. We wanted to show you the best product that we had.
I would also like to point out that all 3 of our rockets, we designed them so that they would all meet the requirements given, and at the end we just calculated the efficiency and picked the rocket based on the most efficient design and the one that we thought would look the best. So here's some rocket data. The length is 25.4 millimeters. The weight is 62.94 grams, and the rocket launch height is 127.05 meters. So it is in the range that we were given to.
Also, if you didn't see on the original design, our center of gravity and center of pressure are on the bottom side of the tube. Kind of spread far apart. We didn't want them exactly together. Kind of pointless.
So the total cost and efficiency, we were within our budget of $1.5 million, and we were actually under our projected cost. And our efficiency is $8,537.98, which is actually lower than most of our competition, even though our cost was higher than most of our competition. And the reason why is because our rocket was at the upper end of the range. I think it was 434 feet. that we found in Roxanne. So that's why we have a really good efficiency.
And we didn't want to skimp out on design to reduce costs. We wanted the best possible rocket that we could make.
Relevant engineering fields, mechanical engineering, of course, and the design of environmentally friendly motors with algae.
The next one is obviously aerospace engineering. Our two engineers, rocket engineers, were very good experts in that. They did know a lot about what they were doing. They knew a lot about thermodynamics and fluids and all that stuff. Other design was computer engineering that helped design, which we used in the Roxanne program and also on the actual rocket. Some of the data that we had to have the efficient data to be able to power this, and also electrical engineering. I know it's not on here, but electrical engineering, and because of all the wiring in the motors and combustion and fuel and stuff like that.
All right, commercial break. Did I leave it up there? The name time? Oh, it's right here. Loading. Video is no buffer.
Texas!
Bye!
Alright, good morning everyone. I hope you had a nice dinner. So I need you to quickly get into your small group so we can make sure everyone's here. Actually, on second thought, we're gonna get find your high voting. So everyone find the high voting? Good. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the CPE right now. So we'll follow here.